Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you have been a long time subscriber, you've probably noticed the past few weeks that I have been uploading some gaming videos, and that is because I'm just really into The Sims right now, okay? But I am in no means a gaming channel now. I am just a whatever the hell I want channel, if you haven't noticed, and it's going to stay that way. I have a co-host here today. This is my daughter Sparrow. And she's just here because, well, she helped me carry some stuff in here and I couldn't say no to her. But now let's get into the reason we're all here today. It is BOXYCHARM time, you know what it is. I haven't checked the spoilers at all. I have no idea what's going to be in here. Here's a sneakity peekity. First thing in here, this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. It's by Ofra in the shade Miami Forever. I can already tell you that I don't think I like the shade very much. This just goes to me saying, like, I feel like I have a million of this exact shade. I feel like they just always send this color, right? It's like a burnt orangish, reddish color, and I have a lot of them and I always end up giving them away. However, I do have one other liquid lipstick by Ofra and I like it a lot. So I like the formula and stuff, so I'm sure it's fine. We'll try it. Ooh, we have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. I have never used one of these Rainforest of the Sea ones. However, I've like looked at them and swatched some of them at Ulta. And I know I thought about buying one of them one time. I don't remember which one it was though. Look at this packaging! Look at how freaking cute this is! Ooh, my goodness. Are those all highlights, honey? Oh my god. Look at those shimmers. And then there's one that's not a shimmer. I'm not really sure what that's about, but damn. The one that's not a shimmer is called Tiki. It says eyeshadow, but yeah, I mean, I guess like this one's pretty dark, so that wouldn't be a highlight, huh? But I bet some of these would be really gorgeous as a highlight. Oh my goodness. Wow. We'll use some of that as a highlight today. These are Luminous Dewy Skin Masks by Tatcha. Looks like just like some sheet masks. It is a blend of lightweight rice germ oil derived from the most nutrient-rich portion of rice, and a high concentration of botanical oils and extracts leave skin velvety, smooth, dewy, and luminous. I'm not gonna use these today. I usually like to use these after like a bath or something, like when I'm really trying to pamper myself. So I'm going to hold on to these. I think there's only 2 in here though. Usually they'll give me like 3 or something, but okay, whatever. I guess I can't complain. 2 was nice. I always like sheet masks. I actually feel like I haven't gotten sheet masks from a subscription service for a while. Ipsy used to send them all the time, and I haven't gotten one from them in a while. Wow. Okay, so I got a universal brow pencil here. This is by BDB. Oh, $1 Billion Brows. Duh. I did already do my eyebrows today because I was like, oh, there's no way in hell that they're gonna give me an eyebrow product, but I was wrong. I guess I'll have to take my eyebrows off and redo them. This is a reparative leave-in conditioning spray by Briogeo Rosarco Milk. They sent something else. You know what? I have to go find it because they sent something else in a BOXYCHARM box one time and I use it all the time and I love it. I just don't remember what it is. What are you doing? They gave me this one time. It's the Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. And then this one is a reparative leave-in conditioning spray. They're both essentially a leave-in conditioner. So I want to give it a sniffy because I love the way this stuff smells. I'm actually running out of it, so I'm glad they sent me some more. Yes. All right, cool. What we have to try today is this eyebrow pencil, this liquid lipstick, and this eyeshadow palette. That side of my kitchen is a mess, I'm sorry. Guess I'm gonna start by taking off my eyebrows since, you know, I didn't plan very well. I thought I was planning. I was like, I don't feel like doing my eyebrows later, I'm gonna do them now, and then I done goofed. She's gonna go get her cup. Mommy has to go get a foundation sponge. So, she's here, everyone. First of all, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and, oh my god, I didn't even bring powder. Ooh. Real quick, I'm just gonna throw on some foundation and concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution, I guess like a foundation stick. I just bought it at Ulta yesterday. I've never used it before, and I'm gonna use it for the first time right now. I'll let you know what I think, but so far, wow, hello.
Really cool, Mama.
Thanks.
I'm cool. Oh yeah.
You're so cool.
Yeah, so really cool, Mama.
You're really cool.
Yeah.
That actually went on really smooth. I like it. It might be one shade too light, but it's winter, so that's okay. And then I also bought the Conceal and Define one by them too. The reason I decided to try this brand, I've never tried anything by Makeup Revolution, but I wanted to try them because like they were just as cheap, if not maybe even a little cheaper than, because I usually get the L'Oreal Infallible. This was $9 at Ulta, and I think it's usually like the Infallible one at Ulta is like 14 or something if it's not on sale. It's insane. I'm like, that's a drugstore product, and then meanwhile they have Makeup Revolution right there. I'm like, might as well try it. You know what? This is great. I mean, it looks fine to me. Holy moly.
What are you doing, Mama?
Putting powder on my face.
It's for powder for my diaper.
Not for your diaper, it's for my face. You don't wear a diaper anymore. You're a big girl.
No, I'm not a big girl.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah?
Yeah, you go potty in the big girl potty, huh? Yeah, you do.
Oh yeah, I want diaper.
No, you're not wearing a diaper. You're too big for diapers.
Hi.
That's how she says her name. I do like that. Yeah, I am your mom. I do like that foundation and concealer. May not be the right shade for me, but I don't know. I think it looks okay after I've like powdered it all down. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, so let's try this eyebrow thing. Okay, now that we are child-free, I moved over a little bit so y'all don't have to look at the mess that's over there in my kitchen. Anyway, yeah, this is fine. I'm actually really surprised. Like, it's a really good color match for me, and that's why I thought that they probably wouldn't send me a brow product. The real test for me is how long it lasts. Hopefully it doesn't smudge or anything. It really doesn't say much on the packaging at all. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some bronzer and blush, and I'll be right back. Yes, hi, hello, I have returned. Next, I'm going to go into this palette and just like put a color on my cheeks, I guess. Dang, I mean, there's really a lot of options we could go with here. I think I'm gonna go with this one here. It's kind of goldish. Okay, so that color is pretty, more of a natural glow, I guess. I'm curious to see though how some of the other colors perform. I'm gonna try this one here. Oh, yes. Wow. Woo, mama. That's pretty. That's good. That's real good. Well, now that we know that this works great as a highlight, there's really not many options as far as putting a look together here goes. I'm really curious to see what that one looks like wet on the lid, so I'm gonna use the one that's not a shimmer. I wonder if that was kind of made to be more of like a bronzer. I maybe should have tried it that way, but meh. I'm gonna throw this in the crease real fast. Okay, so that did basically nothing. That is pretty much the same color as my eyelid already. So anyway, I got my brush wet and I'm dipping it into this one here. This one's called Malibu. I cannot even describe to you what this color is. I'll try to anyway, and I'll bring you up close. It's almost like a purpley, silver, bronze, something, I don't know. As a wet color though, I think it's gorgeous on the lids. This palette, the only thing I don't love about it, which whatever, I mean, who says that palettes have to adhere to this at all? But you really can't make a full look with just what you're given here. I'm gonna just throw on, I'm just gonna throw on some darker kind of smoky colors just to give it something. know if it's just like because I really like that new foundation, or if the glow from that palette is just everything, or what, or I think just the way that everything is working together on my face right now, like I am actually really feeling it. It's just kind of natural, but like also not. I don't know, maybe it's just because I don't have a big thick wing of eyeliner on, but anyway, you can get a lot of use out of that palette in more ways than one, and I'm totally digging it. Okay, last thing we have to use is this Ofra lipstick. It's gonna ruin everything I like about this look, but okay, let's go. So obviously the color is not my favorite. Y'all already know this. I don't like this shade on me, but the formula is really nice. It went on really, really smooth, and it doesn't feel super drying, so I love that because my lips are just always a mess. That's everything that was in my Ipsy box. Let's look at where's the price list. So this leave-in conditioning spray goes for $12. I think that's fair. I've had this one for a long time, and I mean, it still has some stuff in it, so, and I use a lot of it because, I mean, I don't know, I have a lot of hair that is constantly dying.
That's what bleach does, friends.
I feel like $12 for this, that you'll get a few months worth of use out of. I think that's fair. This liquid lipstick, $20. What's the point of even buying, like going to the store and buying liquid lipstick anymore when you can get subscription boxes that cost the same amount as one tube, and they like send you just like, I don't know. I mean, I guess if you have one that you really, really like, but I feel like they send so many liquid lipsticks, like I haven't bought one in ages because BOXYCHARM and Ipsy just keep sending them to me. So whatever, MSRP aside, it's a $20 lipstick. Unless I really, really, really like it, I wouldn't spend $20 on a liquid lipstick. This Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3 goes for $36. It's not a lot of product. $36 for this, it's almost compact size, you know, it's not huge. Do I love it? Yes. Will I use it? Religiously. Would I pay $36 for it? Probably not. I don't know. I really love Tarte, but this is more of like a collector's kind of thing, because like you wouldn't go to the store if you were a new makeup buyer. Like you would not go and reach for this because it doesn't have a good variety of things. So while it does have a variety of uses, and I believe that they are very good uses, if you were gonna go like, I want something that can be a highlight and an eyeshadow and not have to pay $36 for each of them, then sure. And I love Tarte. Like they're one of my favorite makeup brands for sure. I bought the Tarteist Pro palette. It was like one of my first palettes that I ever bought, and I love it, and I still use it, and it was maybe like $40, so around the same price as this. I think that's crazy. I would much rather get the Tarteist Pro palette for that same-ish amount of money. These skin masks, holy moly, a 2-pack goes for $24. That is so expensive for masks. Like these better be freaking good. I would not spend $12 on one mask. You know what I'm saying? You go to Ulta, you can get them for like less than $5 each, and one of these is $12. That's crazy. That's crazy. I love sheet masks and I will use them, but I would not pay that much for these. Oh my god. And then this brow pencil goes for $18. Oh, well, what I did want to say too though is like, listen to it. You hear how it's like kind of rattly? So like when I was using it, I was constantly like twisting it back up because as you're using it, it twists back down. It's super annoying. Like something is loose in here and that's obnoxious and I hate it. The formula is fine, I guess, and it looks good on my eyebrows, like sure, but I mean $18 is like the same-ish price as like Anastasia Beverly Hills, like the Dip Brow Pomade. I think that are usually $18 every time I've ever bought one, unless they've raised it recently. I haven't been into brow pencils lately because I feel like I go through them so fast. Like I'd much rather have a Dip Brow Pomade for that same amount of money. Anyway, that is everything. I'm happy with this month's BOXYCHARM. I think I will get a lot of use out of these things, except maybe this lipstick because that color, like, who wants this? Nah, I usually would give one of these to like my sister or my mom or something, so I don't know. Maybe I'll give this one away too. Although, I always think that maybe it's like because of my hair color, I don't like certain shades like this, and I plan on shaving my head soon, so like I won't have hair, so maybe I can wear a different variety of lipsticks and stuff that I'm not used to usually wearing. Once I do that, I'm actually really excited for that. That's coming someday. I'm going to shave my head, I just haven't decided when. Everything in this box, MSRP wise, is well worth it. We should be having Ipsy soon, whenever it decides to get to me. I hope you guys are enjoying the Sims 100 baby challenge that I've been doing. I know it's like new on my channel and it's obviously not something I plan on like doing forever. I'm gonna do it until the end of the challenge, hopefully, as long as I don't get sick of it. But like, I want to go play it right now, but like, I haven't even edited the next episode. I have it filmed and everything, I just haven't edited it. So it's like, I can't play it until I edit another one, because then I just have a backlog and I don't want to do that. Anyway, I'm having a lot of fun with it. It seems to be like there's a lot of engagement with those videos as compared to like my other videos, so I do hope that you guys are enjoying it, and if you haven't checked it out yet, you should. I think I've posted 4 episodes so far, maybe only 3. I don't know. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you whenever I see you. Bye!